Hello friends, in this video we will be knowing the solution to the case study questions that are being launched by the CBSE for class 10th mathematics for the academic year 2020-21. About case study question, a case study will be given like a paragraph or a situation related to a particular chapter of class 10th NCERT maths textbook will be mentioned, given, and based on the case study there will be 5 MCQ questions. A student is supposed to answer out of the 5 any 4 questions. Each question carries 1 mark, so a case study question carries a total of 4 marks. And I have already answered 4 case study questions, and in total I'm going to answer 40 case study questions that will give a best revision to the coming board exam. Now let us look into this question. Shankar, the question I'm just underlining while reading the case study I'm reading. Shankar is having a triangular open space in his plot. He divided the land into 3 parts by drawing the boundaries PQRS which are parallel to BC. So you can see the diagram where you can see AP length, which is the 5 meters. If you are not able to see the font, I'm writing it again. And PR, which is the 7 meters, and RB, which is 8 meters. And base is 10 meters. So I'm just writing here clearly. AP is 5 meters. PR is 7 meters. And RB is 8 meters, and base of the triangle BC is 10 meters. Along with that, altitude of the triangle ABC, we can call it as H at certain point of time, as 12 meters. So this is the case study. With this information, we have to answer 5 bits. We'll answer all the 5 bits where you have to choose any 4. So let us answer all the bits. The first one. So what is the first bit? We are supposed to find area of this land. That means we have to find area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is a half of a base into height. And what is base? Base is 10 meters and height is 12 meters. On simplifying, we will get area as 2 and 10 if they cancel, 5 and 5 12s, 60 meters square, and this is the B option. Let us see the next bit, the second bit. Second bit is, what is the length of a PQ? So length of a PQ we have to find. For that purpose, let us, because directly we can't find P and Q are not midpoint, so we can't apply midpoint theorem. So let us consider triangle APQ and triangle, the big triangle, and we will prove that these 2 triangles are similar triangles. And how are they similar triangles? They are similar. Why? Because PQ is parallel to BC according to the question. In that case, if you see the main diagram, angle APQ is going to be equal to angle B, and angle A is common. That means angle P is equal to angle B, and angle A is common angle. Now for these 2 triangles, we have pairs of angles equal. So these 2 triangles, that means triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. And how are they similar? They are similar by angle-angle similarity condition. And if triangles are similar, we can write the corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write base of APQ, that is PQ, by base of ABC, that is BC, is equal to one of the side of APQ by the corresponding side of ABC, that is AB. So the corresponding sides of similar triangle are proportional. And we have to find length of a PQ in the second bit. But we know BC, that is 10 meters, AP, that is 5 meters, AB is the complete length. That means 5 plus 7 plus 8. If you refer diagram, you can understand. Now, what is the PQ? So we have PQ by 10, which is 5 divided by sum of these numbers is 20, and then you can see a simple cancellation of terms, and then we will have PQ as 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is a 2.5 and it is a dimension, so we can call it as in meters, 2.5 meters. And which option is this? This is the first option. So first question, the correct answer is B bit, and second question, the correct option is first bit. Let's answer the third bit of the question. We are supposed to find length of RS. RS is where in the diagram you see I am outlining it, and according to the question, RS is also parallel to BC. So we will consider triangle ARS and triangle ABC, and in these two triangles you see angle ARS will be equal to angle B. Why? Because RS is parallel to BC and these angles are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal if lines are parallel. And angle A is equal to angle A. This is common angle. This implies that triangle ARS is similar to triangle ABC. And what is the reason behind? Angle similarity. And if two triangles are similar, we can write the corresponding parts are proportional. So the base of ARS, that is RS, by base of triangle ABC, that is BC, is equal to one of the side of ARS, that is AR, divided by the corresponding side of triangle ABC, that is the AB. And this is by corresponding sides of similar triangles. And we are supposed to find length of RS. RS is to be found. BC is at 10 meters. AR from the diagram you have to add the parts, which is 7 meters plus 5 meters, and AB is 5 meters plus 7 meters plus 8 meters. That means 20 meters. So where do we land? We have RS by 10 is equal to 12 by 20, and then we see a simple cancellation of either sides of is equal to. You can cancel terms if they are cancelable. So here 12 goes in 2 table, and thus we have RS. So here we will have RS is equal to 6 meters. And which option is this? This is in third bit, the second option. Now let us answer the fourth bit of the question. The question is area of APQ. APQ is the rose, where rose is written, the pink color zone. Now since we have similar triangles, and whenever area word comes, we can take the theorem 6.3 of the triangles chapter, 6th chapter, that ratio of areas of two similar triangles is the same as the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Now here, since triangle APQ is similar, because we have to find area of APQ. Triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. That we have already proved. They are similar by angle similarity. One of the equal angle will be angle A. Another angle is APQ equal to angle B. And because triangles are similar, by the theorem we can take area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle ABC. This is ratio of areas of two similar triangles. So this should be equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides are AP and AB. So the ratio of squares of the corresponding sides, this is by the theorem of the textbook. Area of ABC. Area of ABC we found in the first bit. Area of ABC is 60 meters square. We have applied half of base into height. And AP is 5 meters and AB is 20 meters. 20 means 5 plus 7 plus 8, the 3 parts of AB. And hence area of triangle APQ by 60 is equal to 5 by 20. And we can follow whatever cancellation occurs here. We see one simple cancellation and we see another cancellation. Now we will go for cross multiplication. And on cross multiplication, we will get area of triangle APQ as 3 times this is 5 square. I just make a small correction here. Right side is square. AP is 5. So here AP into AP. And denominator we have 20 times 20. Now we can have further more cancellation. But let me write the complete remaining numbers. 5 into 5 into 3 that went in cross multiplication, and denominator is 20. Now we see what else cancellation occurs. 5 ones and 5 fours. So what are the balance numbers? Balance numbers are 15 by 4. And what is 15 by 4? When we divide, we will get this as a 3.75 because it is area square meters or meter square. Now let us answer the last bit of the question, that is fifth bit. What is the area of ARS? So we will follow the same lines. For the fifth bit, since triangle ARS is similar to triangle ABC. This also we proved in the before bit. How are they similar? They are similar by angle similarity. Why? Because angle ARS is equal to angle B, corresponding angles, and angle A of ARS equal to angle A of ABC. And because the triangles are similar and the question is about area of ARS, we will use the theorem that ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So area of ARS by area of ABC is equal to AR square by AB square. This is by the theorem statement. Now we have to find area of ARS. Area of ABC we found in the first bit, that is 60 meters square. And this one is AR square. Okay, so we have to take a square, not individual. So what is AR? AR is AP plus PR, that is 5 plus 7, that is 12 square. And AB square, AB is 5 plus 7 plus 8. If you look into the diagram, you will see AB has 3 parts. So it's a square. And quickly, the last one, area of triangle ARS by 60 is 12 square. So I'll write it 2 times, 12 times 12. And the denominator is a 20 square. So we'll write 20 times 20, and then we will see for the cancellation of terms. So we saw one cancellation, and this 2, I can cancel here, and here I can go for 2 table, and here I'll get something like this. And overall, we have the remaining numbers. If I assemble them, area of triangle ARS is equal to, after cross multiplying, we will have in the numerator 6 into 6 into 6. That is 216. Denominator we have 10. So the number, the area of triangle ARS is 21.6 square units, so meter square, and which is the first bit. That means I have picked up the question up to this. So which is the first option, the A